Yeah, I'm trying not to make these videos too long, so let's go right back to answering some questions. I mean, uh, what other question can I think of? Um, I mean, I'm not putting them in the correct order. Um, is your right? This is obviously multiple choice, right? Yeah, that, right? So you have that, and of course you have that as a required question. You don't need the name, right? You can just say in which really? No. Right? So then no, this is where you might use, I mean, fine. Use check boxes. I mean, I'm just doing it just because, let's say 18 to 24, 25 to 30, 31 to 35, I'm just come up with something, right? No, really and truly, yeah. And again, after you type in these questions, you can always preview, right? So it shows you that. That's our first question. There you go. What's your gender? Male, female, prefer not to say, and age range, right? There you go, right? So those are, I mean, again, I'm just kind of, you know, doing my best to come up with, some of the questions that you might want to throw on your questionnaire. Let me see what else. I don't know. Let's see. What is your favorite? Dot dot dot. Oh, okay. Um, uh, right? So you can say, you have that. Um, what else? What else? What else? Um, no, what I want. All right, let's say large default amount of memory, right? Battery life, a lot of memory. Um, what else? What else? I'm trying to think of things. I don't want this take too long, so let me see. Battery life, that. All right, right. Affordability. That is very important, right? Um, dimensions. In other words, the no, what I mean by dimensions, and I'm just using this as an example, right? Meaning how thick your phone is, right? That's really what I mean in this scenario. So in other words, if you think about think about a cuboid, but instead of it having, the pointy vertices, they're all curved instead. That is basically what most phones are shaped like, right? So, probably the thinner the phone, oh, Let's see. I would say temperature does not rapidly, right? Yeah, so I mean, I'm just thinking of a few things, right? So again, if you want to see what that looks like, let me close that. Let me close. Yes, I want to leave. Right, so again, we just added something new, right? So again, if you want to see what that looks like, you click on preview. So you have this question that we added, that one, this one, and of course the new one, right? No, it's not required. You will only see, hold on, right? If you notice, once you see the red asterisk, that is where a question is required, right? So only where you see the red asterisk, that is where a question is required, right? So yeah, yeah, another 6-minute video, and I feel like I don't add a whole heap of questions, you know. Like I feel like I'm not reach nowhere with it, right? All right, I'm gonna try this one more time and see if I can add the question in fast. So yeah, that's what I have so far, right? So I'm gonna close this for now and then do one more, and hopefully that should give you an idea as to how to do it. But there are other things I want to show you, so I'll just go plan it. So till the next video.